What if I told you the first empire in history didn't fall because of one enemy, but because of hunger, drought, and power? More than 4,000 years ago, one man united many cities and changed the world forever. This is the story of the Akkadian civilization, its rise, its peak, and its fall. Welcome to History Times. Today we travel to ancient Mesopotamia, the land between two rivers, to learn about the Akkadian Empire, the first empire in human history. Before the Akkadians, Mesopotamia was divided. There were many Sumerian city-states like Uruk, Lagash. Each city ruled itself. Each city fought the others. There was no unity, only war, competition, and chaos. Then everything changed. Around 2334 BCE, a man named Sargon of Akkad rose to power. He was not born a king. Legend says he was once a poor child, but Sargon was smart and strong. Instead of ruling just one city, he conquered them all. Why was this new? He built a permanent army. He ruled many cities under one government. He replaced local kings with his own officials. He made Akkadian the main language. For the first time ever, many cultures were ruled as one empire. History had entered a new age. At its strongest, the Akkadian Empire controlled most of Mesopotamia. Major trade routes land across modern Iraq and Syria. Later kings, like Naram-Sin, pushed the empire even further. At the peak of power, kings called themselves King of the Four Corners of the world. Naram-Sin even claimed to be a god. Cities grew rich through trade laws, and order were enforced by the army. The Akkadians became a model. Future empires would copy their system, but no empire stays strong forever. As the empire grew, problems appeared. Too much land to control rebellions from conquered cities, heavy taxes on the people. Then something worse happened. Nature turned against them. Around 2200 BCE, disaster struck. Long droughts, crops failed, food became scarce. People began to starve, cities were abandoned. At the same time, the Gutians, tribes from the mountains, invaded. The army weakened, the government collapsed. The first empire in history fell, not in one great battle, but slowly, painfully, and quietly. Even after its fall, Akkad was never forgotten. They gave the world the idea of empire, central government, organized armies, cultural unity. The Akkadians taught humanity one lesson: power can build empires, but it cannot stop time, nature, or collapse. And that is the rise and fall of the Akkadian civilization, the empire that started it all. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories of civilizations that shaped our world, only here on History Times.